We will guide you through how to change object color on Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop. Open the image or project containing the object you want to recolor. Select the Object Selection tool from the toolbar, opening its tool group if another selection tool is displayed. Select the object you want to recolor by clicking it or drawing a box around it, depending on the mode shown in the options bar. Inspect the selection and make sure it follows the object's complete outline without including the background or missing important details. Open the Layers panel on the right side, or choose it from the window menu if it is hidden. Click the new adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the panel, which looks like a circle divided into light and dark halves. Select Hue and Saturation from the menu to create a non-destructive color adjustment. Make sure Photoshop converts the active selection into the adjustment layers mask. In the Properties panel, enable Colorize if the original object has little color or if you want to apply one consistent hue across it. Move the Hue slider slowly to explore different colors, watching the object update until you find the desired shade. Adjust the Saturation slider to control the color's intensity, moving it higher for a vivid result or lower for a softer and more muted appearance. Adjust the Lightness slider if necessary to make the object brighter or darker while keeping its highlights, shadows, texture, and shape visible. Zoom in and check the edges and overall result, looking for colors spilling onto the background or parts of the object that were missed, and refine the layer mask with a brush if needed. When the new color looks clean and natural, save the project as a PSD file so the original image, selection mask, and hue and saturation settings remain editable for future changes.